Hey guys, this is just a quick video update on new accessories for the flow mount. Let's get this thing started. So for those of you guys who are new to this channel, the flow mount is basically a universal track mount designed specifically for the second gen Tacoma. And the flow mount, there's two versions of it. There's one mounted on the dash and one mounted on the head unit. And I'm very excited to show you guys the new accessories we've developed. So starting from the right, the first accessory that we have is this Midland MA275 handset hanger. So when you're out on the trails, you just hang it just like that, and it's not gonna bounce around and bounce off. So I love this thing. I've been testing it for several months now, and it's been working great. This, we don't sell this. This is a accessory speaker by Rode Pro, which pairs very well to Midland. But we do sell these ball mounts. And if you don't like this position, we also sell these socket arms for this ball mount. And you can adjust it to however you please. And we'll have multiple sizes for these socket arms too. So your handset hanger can just go at any angle that you like. I'm very happy with this design. And if you have one of these Baofeng, these are very popular actually. I'll link them down below. If you have one of these Baofeng radios, this radio is actually my first radio and it works great. The only thing is the range isn't that amazing. So that's why I have the Midland. But for everybody else, this will work more than plenty. And what's great about this mount is it locks right into place. So if you're bouncing around on the trails, this radio is definitely not going to bounce out of there. Same thing with the handset portion. It locks in. So you can just grab it when you need, talk on the radio and communicate with your crew. Good to go. And it clamps and locks. So when you're out driving and off camber, this thing is definitely not going to come off. I'm very happy about that. And if you guys have any specific radios that you use, let me know in the description below because I can definitely design it for you. So here is the final design that we have so far, guys. For the same radio, but without the hand microphone. Same great design. Clamps right on. It definitely won't slide off the trails if you're bouncing around, and it's rock solid. So just to let you know, guys, these accessories are compatible with all 1-inch ball accessories for mounting. So that includes products like Ram Mount. I'm very happy with these accessories. And again, please do let me know in the comment section below if you want any specific accessories. Maybe you would want like the Garmin InReach or any specific GPS systems. We can design it. Just please let me know. I think that's pretty much it for this video update, guys. Short and sweet. And all these new accessories will be available at my store. Make sure you check it out, store.kflow-crib.com.